Do these 3 things seasonally to rejuvenate your furniture. It's Tanya from International Furniture Wholesalers. For more great tips on furniture care and to see the latest trends in home furnishings and decor, make sure you like and follow us. Number 1, rotate your seats regularly. Move them side to side and flip them top to bottom. Number 2, rotate your mattress. All you have to do is rotate the foot portion of the bed to the head portion of the bed at least 4 times during the year to ensure even break-in and wear on your mattress. Number 3, clean and condition your leather. Leather sofas take a beating during summer. Oftentimes we have bare skin on the leather and we have sunscreen, mosquito repellent, or maybe even hand sanitizer on. It's always smart to seasonally clean your leather with something meant for fine leather furniture like the Clean and Renew and Protect and Preserve from Guardsman. Cleaning your leather in the fall means that you can get all of those lotions and potions that you may have been using over summer off of your leather furniture, as well as giving it a conditioning as we move into the cooler, drier months. Completing these 3 furniture maintenance tasks will ensure your furniture looks fabulous for fall.